Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about a copper peptide, also known as GHK-Cu. GHK-Cu is the peptide with 3 amino acids. It was originally found in human plasma, but is also found in saliva and urine. Plasma level of GHK declines as we age, which causes decrease in collagen production, which leads to wrinkly skin and age-related skin issues. GHK, when mixed with copper, which makes it a copper peptide, stimulates the collagen production. It also has variety of role in human body, including promoting wound healing, antioxidant property, anti-inflammatory property, and promoting blood vessel growth. This improves your overall skin quality, and it has been used for the treatment of age-related skin problems. Copper peptide was also found to strongly stimulate hair growth. Hair growth efficiency of this peptide was found to be similar to 5% minoxidil, which is used very commonly for hair growth. There is another peptide called zinc thymulin, which also stimulates hair growth. Mixing copper peptide with zinc thymulin, which is another peptide, helps you improve your overall health, can significantly improve hair growth and overall hair health. We'll discuss zinc thymulin in a separate video. Copper peptide overall improves your skin quality and also helps you improve hair growth. We use copper peptide cream for topical, like for face, and we use copper peptide serum for hair. Benefits of copper peptide: it may improve skin elasticity and firmness, reduces hyperpigmentation and skin spot, tightens loose skin, reverses thinning of age-related skin laxity, stimulates skin collagen production, reduces skin inflammation and protect from sun damage, improves wound healing and reduces infection, increases hair growth and follicular size, improves overall skin appearance. So this is the perfect anti-aging peptide with very minimal side effect. Subscribe for more videos.